Most people get this wrong. They think Credence is just another payday loan or buy now pay later app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Credence has evolved into a multi-purpose financial platform, offering quick cash advances, installment payment options, and even budgeting tools to help you manage money smarter. Here's how it works. Credence allows users to access a portion of their earned wages before payday, often within hours. This can be a lifesaver for unexpected bills, urgent repairs, or other emergencies without relying on high-interest credit cards. Additionally, eligible purchases can be split into smaller, manageable payments, helping you stay on top of your monthly budget. The app is clean and easy to navigate. You can track advances, view upcoming repayments, and analyze spending patterns. Push notifications and reminders make it simple to avoid late fees, which is crucial for keeping your finances in check. The downside? Overusing Credence can get expensive. Fees can add up if advances or installment payments are taken frequently or missed. It's best used as a short-term solution, not a permanent financial fix. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take advances or splits you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications for repayment alerts. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? People with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or per repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, Credence in 2026 is a flexible, practical financial tool, but only if used wisely. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and smart money tips to stay in control of your finances.